Hi everyone, welcome back to another video presentation of the Royal Indian School. Today we will discuss a topic of general knowledge. We will study about body parts, the parts of our body. But before we begin with the session, can you tell me what do you see in this picture? Let's all discuss together, okay? I will say the name once, you repeat after me. What is this? It is a seahorse, right? This is a snake. This is a tree. A bird. Some fishes are there. Three fishes are there. A horse, an alligator, a boy and a girl. Are all these things similar to each other? Are they same? एक जैसी हैं क्या? No, they are different. कुछ कुछ अंतर है. देखो सब में अलग अलग दिख रही हैं. But one thing is common in all of them. What is that one thing? All of them are living things. That is, they breathe. They eat food and they grow. From small, they become big. All of them are living things. What makes living things different from each other? A snake and a tree are different from each other. A girl and a boy are also different from each other. A seahorse and a bird are also different from each other. So what brings about this difference in them? This difference is because of the various body parts. Let us study about what makes us different from other living things. Different parts of our body, like I have two eyes, a nose, two ears, two hands, shoulders. All these things make me different from other living beings. A tree has no hands. A tree has no nose, but I have. I don't have leaves. Okay, so the parts of our body make us different and unique. Let us study about the front portion of our body, the portion which you and I can see of each other. This is the front portion of the body. This is a boy. In this boy, through this boy, I will explain to you the various parts of the body. Okay, when I say different parts of the body, I want you to touch those parts of your body. Like when I will say head, you should touch your head. Okay, let's begin. Head. Touch your head, touch your head. Head, very good. Forehead. The front portion of your head is the forehead. Eyes. I have two eyes. This boy also has two eyes. Eyebrows. On top of the eyes are the eyebrows. Then ears. Two ears. Pull your ears, pull your ears. Yes. Two ears. Nose. One nose. Lips. Touch your lips. Ma'am tells you keep finger on your lips. Lips. Teeth. You brush them each morning. Shiny white teeth. Then neck. We have a chin above the neck. Lips and chin. And you also have cheeks. Pull your cheeks. Mama says, cute little boy, cute little girl. So she pulls your cheeks. Chin. Below the chin, neck. Touch your neck. Neck. Then shoulders. Two shoulders. This is one shoulder. This is another shoulder of the boy. Then this front portion of the body is called the chest. Chest. Touch your chest. Okay. Then stomach. Touch your stomach. When you eat food, it goes down to your stomach. Then hands. Show me your hands. Two hands. This is one hand of the boy. This is the second hand of the boy. Then you have two legs. In these legs, there are thighs. There are knees, two knees, one in each leg, and feet. The lowermost part of your body is the feet. Good job. Did you understand about all the parts of your body in front? Now, if I turn this boy around, there are some parts in the back side of the body of this boy also. Turn around quickly. आप लोग जल्दी से turn around करो. Like this. Can you see the back side of the boy? Now over here also some body parts are there, like hair. The hair of this boy. Then this portion of the body is called back. Behind the chest and the stomach is the back. This portion of the body is called waist, where you tie your pajama and the girls wear their skirts. That portion is called the waist. Calves. In your legs, the back portion of your leg is called a calf. Buttocks. You sit on a chair. What do you place on the chair? Your bum. That is called buttocks. Then the heel. In your feet, there are two heels. See, this is the heel. Good. I hope now you have understood the front portion of the body and the back side of the body. Now I want you to do something. You will go and ask Mama different questions about different parts of the body. Go and ask Mama, show me your hands. Ask Papa, Papa, where is your nose? Where are your hands? Where are your legs? And play with them. Okay? Also play with your grandparents. Let's discuss one more time now. Okay? Revise karte hain. Can you tell me what is this? This is the head. These are, what are they? These are eyes. What are these two? Ears. This is the stomach and hand. Can you tell me what this is? This is a leg. What is this? It's a chin. What are these in your fingers? These are nails. This is a nose. These are lips. This is a tongue. Show me your tongue. Tongue. Teeth. What are these? These are feet. This is the hair of the boy. Hair. This is a heel. And what is this? Back. Absolutely right. So now all of you have understood about all the parts of the body. I want you to draw and color with the help of your parents 5 parts of your body, any 5 of your choice in your drawing notebook. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye. Have a nice day.